Hi, my name's Tim Howard. I'm a radio DJ here in Seoul. I'm also an English as a second language teacher, and I teach business presentation. And, well, I'm the teacher here at Pragmatist for English.
프래그마티스 커리어 업그레이드 강연을 맡고 있는 커리어 전문가인 임문수라고 합니다. 여러분들이 여러 가지 지식들을 또 직접 실제 졸업하고 사회에 나가서 여러분의 경력을 더 발전시킬 수 있도록 저는 무심양면 지원을 하고 있습니다. 많은 예비 프래그마티스트 친구들 우리 프래그마티스트에 많이 지원해 주시기 바라고요. 그러면 저를 보십시오. 여러분들을 최고의 전문가로 인정하겠습니다.
We have a different class once a week, for about a couple of hours. We talk about lots of different subjects. And it's a practice class. It's not me lecturing to the students. It's the students running the class, which, as you've probably seen, can be dangerous, but it's also a lot of fun. So we hope you can join us at the Pragmatist.
Never see any light. Dirty basements, dirty noise, dirty places coming through. Extreme worlds alone. Did you ever like it then? I would stand in line for this. There's always room in life for this.